Welcome back to Market Headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,635.72. And in approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 6,652.49. And then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,688.05 and in short, JCI went up 0.7%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got basic as the leader of the strengthening trend that went up 1.55%. Transportation and logistics went up 0.66%. Infrastructure went up 0.05%. And non-cyclic went down 0.58%. And we're moving on to the top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. From top gainers, Bank Central Asia went up 1.24% to the level of 8,150 per share. BBRI went up 0.89% to the level of 4,520 per share. Goto went up 1.90% to the level of 107 per share, and Astra International went up 2.75% to the level of 5,600 per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got an ICL went down 6.87% to the level of 244 rupiah per share. Adro went down 1.27% to the level of 3,100 rupiah per share. RUIS went down 6.98% to the level of 240 rupiah per share, and ICBP went down 0.48% to the level of 10,400 rupiah per share. Next, we are going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 14,997, rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 14,894. And in summary, rupiah went up 2.48%. Astra International recorded car sales growth of 17.37% throughout 2022. Management of Astra International confirmed that the growth in car sales was the highest since the COVID-19 pandemic hit Indonesia.
Astra International recorded car sales growth of 17.37% throughout 2022. Based on data from Gaikindo, Astra sales increased to 574,000 units from January to December 2022, 17.37% higher compared to the previous year's realization of 489,000 units. Astra International's head of corporate communications, Boy Klana Subroto, say that car sales achieved the highest growth since the COVID-19 pandemic. The increase in sales was supported by the increase in people's purchasing power and the recovery of the Indonesian economy. In terms of brand, Toyota and Lexus have the most sales with 332,000 units throughout 2022. In terms of market share, Astra still holds the majority market share of 55%. Meanwhile, Astra's LCGC market share was recorded at 75%. On a month-to-month basis, Astra's monthly car sales have increased compared to November 2022. In December 2022, Astra's car sales reached 55,100 units, an increase of 8.5% compared to November 2022, which was 50,700 units. IDX Channel reports.